Welcome to the Seattle Bird Podcast. I'm your host, Leo. This episode, our bird spotlight is on the great blue heron. The great blue heron has been Seattle's official city bird since 2003. They are curmudgeonly and large, standing 4 feet tall. You can see them all year round. During the January to July mating season, a great place to see them is Redmond's Marymoor Park, where they have a well-established rookery. There is also another habitat in Commodore Park, near the Ballard Locks. If you want to get a visceral sense that birds lived in prehistoric times, look no further than a great blue heron croaking in flight. According to All About Birds, great blue herons are, quote, largest of the North American herons, with long legs, a sinuous neck, and thick dagger-like bill. Head, chest, and wing plumes give shaggy appearance. Great blue herons appear blue-gray from a distance, with a wide black stripe over the eye, end quote. Herons weigh a tiny 5 to 6 pounds, even though they have a wingspan up to 2 meters. This is minorly because their bones are actually hollow, a quality that most birds share. These air-filled bones help them fly, but not in the way you'd expect. The hollow bones don't make a significant impact on weight, but they do increase lung capacity. The air sacs that its lungs consist of will attach to the hollow bones, making the bones a storage of oxygen and other gases. Great blue herons have different photoreceptive cells than humans. We humans have rods and cones, whereas great blue herons and many other birds also have double cones. Researchers think that this may give birds the ability to see other wavelengths of light, or have other perceptions that humans don't have. Half of heron eye cells are rods. Mallards, for comparison, have 1/4 rods. The higher rod concentration allows herons to hunt during the day and night. When hunting, herons stand incredibly still for long periods of time, studying the water. When they strike, they quickly use their long, flexible neck to thrust their sharp bill at their prey. Once they spear a fish, herons will flip it into their mouths and swallow it whole. Great blue herons are members of the genus Ardea, from the Latin for heron. Their species name is Herodias, which also means heron, this time from Greek origin. Pious listeners may remember the character Herodias from the Bible. Herodias is the wife of Herod Antipas, neither of which are nice people, as they arranged the execution of John the Baptist. Herons are not named after Herodias, rather, Herodias is named after herons. And despite their curmudgeonly appearance, I can assure you that herons are nice birds. The bird calls were recorded by Mike Anderson, Martha Fisher, Randolph Little, James Kimball, Dick Bird, Ada Bird, and William Evans, and were available courtesy of the Macaulay Library at the Cornell Lab of Ornithology. Research is by me with help from Brian. Our sources for this episode are All About Birds, Wikipedia, Britannica, C.R. Breakavelt from the University of Manitoba, and the Discovery Channel. The audio editing is by me. The theme song is by Felix. I'm your host, Leo. Until next time.